There are over 5,000 miles of Class 1 trout streams in Wisconsin. Many of those streams surround the small town of Gays Mills where Bappy is located, and they are shown in green on this map. Tainter Creek is a tributary to the Kickapoo River just north of Bappy. It is one of the many streams in this area that were restored to Class 1 trout fishing status due to the efforts of local farmers and landowners. It takes place on Wisconsin's Free Fishing Weekend, so people can fish without buying a license or trout stamp. This event draws about 100 to 200 people annually and includes fly casting and fly tying instruction. It also includes presentations of stream monitoring and restoration efforts. Here, some of the instructors are showing kids how to spin cast by having them catch the colorful metal-coated fish with magnetic hooks. Here, some of the instructors help a couple of young ladies learn the more difficult backward and forward flick of fly casting. The highlight of the event is the electroshocking demonstration by the DNR's Fisheries Management crew. As the name implies, specialized equipment is used to emit an electrical shock into the water and stun the fish. The equipment sits in the small boat that the operators are pulling upstream, and the shock comes from the long metal wands that they are poking around in the water. The shock immobilizes nearby fish for a brief period without harming them. That gives the crew just enough time to collect the stunned fish in a net and transfer them to the boat. Some of the trout that were caught in the stream are placed in a glass container for the gathered crowd. The DNR staff then explain how to identify the different species of trout and what the population ratio and size of each species says about the health of the stream.
But there is one other characteristic that you look for to make sure if you want to figure out if it's a trout or not. And in its pelvic fin, there's this little thing called an axillary process. That little finlet right there. That's how you can make sure it's a trout if you say you didn't know what type of fish it was. So those are the two ways to key it out to a trout.
Bappy is a premier sensor manufacturer for the HVAC industry, including sensors for temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, and wireless applications. For more information, call 608-735-4800 or visit us online at www.bappyhvac.com.